Hey, what's up guys, it's your boy Crazy TTP. So in today's video I'm going to show you how to reset your Windows 10 operating system without losing any data. So you need to go to this start menu over here, go to settings, then this window will start to appear, then scroll down up until you see this update and security, then select this one. Then in this window you will see this bunch of options on the left hand side. So we need to go to recovery, then you will see reset this PC, then advanced startup. So we need to go to this reset this PC and get started. So this pop-up window will appear also, which will say choose an option, keep my files or remove everything. So in here guys, it's up to you whether you wanna reset your Windows 10 and keep your files, or you wanna reset your Windows 10 and remove everything. So if you choose this first option guys, it will reset your Windows 10 then also keep your files. Then this last option here, which is very you need to be very careful when using this one, is it will remove everything in your PC, then start your PC as new, then everything will be fine, but it will reset anything in your computer, like it will remove all your personal files, apps and settings. So you need to be very careful in here guys. So yeah, this was it. If this video helped you, please like, comment, share and subscribe. See you on the next one. Peace.